But here comes the real magic in your first year. Discover will match all the miles you earn. That means if you collect 20,000 miles in your first year, Discover will give you another 20,000 for free. That is like a double reward system without any extra effort. The miles never expire, and you can redeem them anytime for travel purchases like flights, hotels, car rentals, and even public transportation. And there are no blackout dates, which means you can travel whenever you want and book with any airline or hotel of your choice. Another great thing is this card has no foreign transaction fees, so if you are traveling outside the USA, you will not be charged extra for using your card internationally. It also comes with a free FICO credit score, monitoring service, zero fraud liability, and US-based customer service, which makes it even more user-friendly and secure. In short, the Discover It Miles card is perfect for people who are new to travel. Rewards want to earn miles easily and do not want to pay an annual fee. It is simple, flexible, and gives you double miles in the first year, which is a big win for any traveler. Stay tuned, because the next card is also packed with amazing features and can save you hundreds of dollars on your next trip. Now let's move to card number 2, which is the Capital One Venture. One Rewards Credit Card. This card is a total game changer for travelers who want simple rewards without paying a single dollar in annual fees. With this card, you earn 1.25 miles on every dollar. You spend no categories, no limits, and no confusion. Every swipe earns you travel miles. Whether you are booking flights, buying coffee, or just shopping online, every purchase moves you closer to your next trip. And when it comes to redeeming your miles, Capital One makes it super easy. You can use your miles to erase travel purchases, like flights, hotels,